Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Math Time. Are you guys ready to have some fun? Well, let's go. We always start our day counting on our 10 frame. Let's begin. Remember, we go from top to bottom. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. All right, my friends, we just counted 10 dots on our 10 frame. So today we are going to begin to learn about more and less. Now, I know you guys know more and less, right? So we're going to do a little review. And this review is going to help us as we go along and learn more and more about using our 10 frame. So for today, you're going to simply need your bag of fruits. Now, if you don't have a bag of fruits, that is okay. You can use any type of objects you have in your house. You can use Legos, you can use blocks, but as long as you have different shapes or different sizes, that way it'll help you to learn the differences, okay? So first, we're going to read a poem, and our poem is about fruits, of course, because today we are playing with fruits. And then after that, we're going to count our fruits. I wonder how many fruits we have. And then after that, we're going to sort our fruits into different sections, and we're going to see which pile has more, which pile has less, okay? So we're going to explore using our fruits in many different ways today. I hope you guys are ready. Let's begin with our poem, and then we're going to come back and explore with our fruit. All right, my friends. So the poem behind me is the poem that I chose for today, and it's about fruits. So, my friends, let's begin reading our poem. Strawberry, bananas, watermelon. Strawberries, bananas, watermelon too. Good for me and good for you. They are tasty, they are sweet, all are such a yummy treat. Strawberries, bananas, watermelon too. Good for me and good for you. All right, my friends, we're going to say this poem again, but this time we're going to sing it because it's sung to the melody of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, let's try again. Strawberry, bananas, watermelon. Strawberries, bananas, watermelon too. Good for me and good for you. They are tasty, they are sweet. All are such a yummy treat. Strawberries, bananas, watermelon too. Good for me and good for you. All right, my friends, good job. That was super cool. So now we're going to go and begin our lesson. Make sure you take out all of your fruit that you're going to need for today. All right, my friends, let's go. Okay, so now that we have had fun with our poem, it's time for us to explore counting with our fruits and seeing which group has more and which group has less. All right, let's go. So as you can see here, I have my fruit. And my fruit is basically poured in the middle of the table. So I'm going to move it around a little bit so it can spread out. And this year in pre-K, we learned how to count things in an array, which means things that are scattered all over the place, right? So let's see if we can count these objects without skipping. I know sometimes we have a hard time doing that, but this is something that we should practice every single day. Make sure you're not doing any double counting. You cannot count the same fruit twice. You can only count each fruit one time. Let's begin counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 pieces of fruit. So, my friends, if you're having a hard time doing that, you can always put it in a line. And when you place it in a line, it's easier for you to count each object. That way you know exactly the right amount and you won't double count. Okay? So here goes my line. You can always do it in a linear configuration. Gotta squeeze it in there so they can all fit in this line. Okay, here we go. Now we can count them without double counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My friends, make sure you have 20 different items, okay? And make sure some of them are the same, all right? So today we're going to take our objects and we're going to sort them into groups, and then we're going to find out which group has more and which group has less, okay? So right now I'm going to take one group, and you can take whatever group you have also at home, and I'm going to put it over together because they're all the same. So I'm going to put them all together. These are blueberries. And then I have some grapes. I'm going to put all my grapes together over there. And then I have my strawberries. I'm just going to put them in a pile right here. And then I have my oranges. So now let's count again and try to remember which groups have more and which groups have less. So let's go right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This group right here has 6 blueberries. Okay, let's do this group down here. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bunches of grapes. Which group has more? The blueberries with 6 or the grapes with 3? I hope you said the blueberries. There are 6 blueberries, okay? So 6 is more than 3. You can even take your objects and put one next to each one so you can see which one has more. See? Right now they're all the same, right? But then if you keep on going with the blueberries definitely have more, okay? So we'll move that one out the way. And now let's do our strawberries and our oranges. So let's count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 strawberries. Okay, let's count our oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 7 strawberries and 4 oranges. Which group has more? Right, the strawberries. Just looking how I lined them up, we can see that the strawberries have a lot more than oranges. The strawberry has 7 and the oranges have 4. So my friends, this is how you're going to play today. Make sure you take your time and use as many different objects as you can so you can really recognize more than and less than. But before we go, we're going to practice a new number, putting it on our 10 frame. Are you guys ready? All right, let's go. So the number that we're going to put on our 10 frame today is the number, boop, boop, boop. What number is that? Right, that's the number 1. So today we're going to put 1 dot on our 10 frame. There goes my dots. Ready? 1. That's it, my friends. As you can see, I always start here when I'm counting and using my 10 frame. That is it for today, my friends. Thank you for having fun and exploring with me, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.